Students, good morning to all of you. And in our previous video we have discussed pronouns and its four kinds, and in this video we will complete this chapter. So let's start. Here you can see pronouns. What is pronoun? Pronoun. The words which are used in place of noun are known as pronoun. Here you can see words used in place of noun is called pronoun. In the previous video we have discussed four kinds of nouns, and in this video we will discuss the rest of the pronouns. First one is demonstrative. As the name showing, demonstrate. Demonstrate. Those words which demonstrate something. Just like this, that, these, those. This is my hat. This is my hat. This is my hat. Here the word this is demonstrative pronoun. This demonstrate hat. In the second sentence, those are trees. Those are trees. It means the word those is demonstrative pronoun. In the same way, interrogative, as the name shows, interrogative, asking questions. Those words which ask question are known as interrogative pronouns. Here you can see the words who, what, whom, which, where. These all are interrogative pronouns. Now moving on the next, indefinite pronouns. Indefinite, as the name shown, indefinite. Indefinite things, place, person, जो कि exact quantity नहीं बताते हैं. Just like few, some, many. And here you can see the last one, distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns refers person, things, one at a time. Just like each, neither, either. And now we will discuss each of them in detail through your book. So let's start.
Pronouns. In a previous video, we have discussed four types of pronouns. First one is personal pronoun. Second is reflexive pronoun. Here you can see through the picture, pronouns are replacing words. Here, personal pronoun is given. Personal pronoun denoting person, animal or things performing the action in a sentence used as a subject. You can see. Then we discussed about reflexive pronoun. The identification of reflexive pronoun is we had SELF and SELVES. You can see himself, herself, ourself, yourself, themselves, myself. Then we discussed about possessive pronoun, those words which are used to show possessiveness. Just like this car is mine, here mine is a possessive pronoun. In the second sentence, Jimmy, where is your book? Your is possessive pronoun. This house is his, it means his is a possessive pronoun. Then we discussed about relative pronouns. The pronouns which refers or relates to the nouns before them are called relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to join sentences also. Just like people who eat junk food become too fat. He is the boy who won the race. Here the word who, that, whose are relative pronoun. In the same way, in today's video we will discuss about demonstrative pronoun. As I told you just before, demonstrate, the words with demonstrate. Here pronouns which are used for showing things are called demonstrative pronouns. The word this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. We can go through the example. This is my car. Here the word this is a demonstrative pronoun. That is also demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. We use this and these when we talking about things near us. This and these. You know already. You have studied in class 1st, 2nd, 3rd also. The use of this, that and these, those. This and these words are used for the things which are near to us. But that and those are used for the things which are far away. Okay, these, that, these, those are demonstrative pronoun. I hope you understood. These, that, these, those are demonstrative pronoun. Now the next one, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns which are used for asking questions. The words which are used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Here the word who, whose, what, which, whom are interrogative pronouns. Who used all my papers? Who used all my papers? Here word WHO, who, is the interrogative pronoun. WHAT, what is also interrogative pronoun. WHOM, WHICH. Here you can see who, whose, whom and whoever are interrogative pronouns used for living things. Keep in mind, you have to learn it. Who, whose, whom, whoever are the pronouns which are used for living things. Which, what, whatever are pronouns which are used for non-living things. Learn it clearly. Who, whose, whom, whoever are used for living things. Which, what, whatever are used for non-living things. Now, here G, indefinite, as the name shown, indefinite, the pronouns which refer to indefinite things, place, person in a general way are called indefinite pronouns. Which are the words? Here you can see the word one, none, any, many, both, something, others, etc. are indefinite pronouns. Many African countries are poor. Many African. Here not exact number is given. So the word MANY, many, is indefinite pronoun. Some people in India are very rich. Here again, exact number are not given. The word some is indefinite pronoun. I have a few mangoes. I have a few mangoes. Few mangoes. Kuch. Not exact number are given. So, many, some, few, all are indefinite pronoun. Now, the last one is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns refers to the person or things one at a time. Just like each of us has a home. Each of us has a home. Neither of them was allowed to join the army. Always singular in number also. Distributive pronouns are always singular in number. Now it's time to do. This is your homework. Now I'm going to solve your previous homework. Filling the blanks with suitable pronouns. Mother patted me or him. You can fill one. Mother patted me or him on the shoulder. Mother patted me or him on the shoulder. They are stronger than dash, I or you. Shalu is more beautiful than you or her. My father told me or him an interesting story. Mr. Malik kicked me out of his house. Rohit was looking for you in the party. Exercise B is very interesting, and if you all understood today's chapter about the pronouns, you can easily do it. First, what you have to do? We have to do circle. Circle the pronouns. First, circle all the pronouns in the sentence. First one is this, my. In second sentence, this pen is mine and that one is his. Here, this and that are demonstrative pronouns. Mine and his is possessive pronoun. Now, the third one, who are those people? Who? WHO, I told you, who. Who are those people? WHO, who are used for living things. Here, WHO, who is interrogative pronoun. And THOSE, those people. Those The word those is demonstrative pronoun. In the same way, in fourth sentence, we baked the bread by ourselves. I told you how to identify reflexive pronoun. S-E-L-F, S-E-L-V-E-S. So, ourselves is a reflexive pronoun and we is personal pronoun. Again, in the fifth sentence, my is possessive pronoun and me is a personal pronoun. Sixth sentence, I have a few mangoes. I is a personal pronoun and few is indefinite pronoun. Here it is not written, but you can write in number 6, I is a personal pronoun. 7th, this is the bus that goes to the zoo. This and that is demonstrative pronoun. 8th sentence, I made this pizza myself. I is a personal pronoun and myself is a reflexive pronoun. I hope you all understood today's topic. Now it's time to do some homework. Here what you have to do, use each of the following possessive pronouns in your own sentence. Make sentence of your own using these pronouns. My, our, your, their, mine, your, ours, hers. These are pronouns. You can make sentence of your own. And in the same way, you have to fill exercise D-E. In exercise D, what you have to do, fill in the blanks by choosing the suitable relative pronouns from the brackets. 2 pronouns are given. 2 pronouns are given. This is the cake dash my mother had made. Whom or which? You have to fill only one. Do this as a homework. Have a nice day.